Hello, friends. My name is Bailey, the AI spokeswoman for hōmhub. Today I want to explain something every renter will face at some point. The lease application fee, what it is, why it exists, how much it usually costs, and how hōmhub is changing the process to save you both time and money. Let us begin with the basics. A lease application fee is a payment that rental property owners and property managers require when you apply for a home. This fee usually covers the cost of your background check, credit report, rental history verification, and the administrative work that goes into reviewing your application. Across the United States, it is common for a lease application fee to range from about $25 to $75. In some cities or competitive rental markets, it can even be higher. Here is the frustrating part for renters. Traditionally, every time you apply for a different rental property, you must pay a new application fee for that property. If you apply to 4 different homes, you might pay 4 separate fees. This is because each owner or agent pulls your reports individually and must pay the credit and background providers each time. It can get expensive fast. That is the old way. hōmhub is the new way. At hōmhub, we empower renters by allowing you to pay one application fee and apply to multiple properties on our platform. One fee, one report, many opportunities. Property owners and agents who list on hōmhub agree to accept your digital submission, along with the background check, credit report, and rental history verification attached to your profile. This means you no longer need to pay the same fee over and over again. You can apply confidently, and you can apply affordably. So how does it work and what does it cost? First, you explore our platform. You can search as many rental properties as you want. When you are ready to communicate with an owner or an agent, you will need a hōmhub Access Pass. The Access Pass costs $25 and is valid for 30 days. It allows you to message property owners, ask questions, schedule tours, and move forward in the process. Once you find a home you're excited about, you can complete your lease application. You enter your information, submit your details, and pay a one-time $60 application fee. That is it. Only once. Our system immediately begins pulling your background check, credit report, and rental history. These are uploaded to your digital file, and you can now submit your application to multiple properties for consideration without ever paying another application fee, as long as your background and credit results are less than 60 days old. When you are approved, you and the property owner or agent signs the lease agreement, and the rest is history. The goal is simple: save you time, save you money, and give you the freedom to explore more homes without barriers or repeated fees. Your home, your choice.
hōmhub!